Hi guys, welcome to Learn at Home. I am Siddharth and you're most welcome in the series of PLC programming. In our previous video, we learned about off-delay timer. In this video, we are going to do exercise on the waste of off-delay timer. So, just don't waste our time, open the exercise. Here is the exercise. What is the hardware we have? I have a NO type push button and a NC type push button and 5 lamps. What function we have to perform here? When we press the NO push button, all lamps start glowing continuously. When we press the NC push button, first lamp stop glowing, second lamp will stop after 10 seconds, third lamp will stop after 20 seconds, and fourth lamp will stop after 30 seconds, and fifth lamp will stop after 40 seconds. So a similar exercise we did in the on delay timer. There we did the on operation in 10 second interval. Here we are going to give the uh, off operation in 10-second interval. So just don't waste our time. Whenever we have to do an off type function giving a delay, we always give the off delay timer to it. So as we discussed in our previous video about the off delay timer, when we give the continuous input to the timer, the dn bit is high, and when we cut the input, the timer start counting, and that when the preset value is equal to accumulator value, the dn bit gone goes low. So we are going to use the dn bit of the off delay timer for the operation of the whole 5 LEDs. So just don't waste our time, start with the programming. So we are going to use a examine if close for giving the input to the timer. Here we can give the address to it, and we are going to give a holding to it by the timer en bit. So the input will be continuously to the timer, and we are using a nc type push button to stop the timer. So we can use here examine if open, examine if close, sorry, and give the address to it. Now I am going to give a t of timer here. Okay, so this function will be continuously we are going to do for 4 rungs, because we have to switch 5 LEDs. So we can copy this rung and paste for 4 times. Copy rung, paste rung below, paste rung below, and paste rung below. Okay, so we can give the address to all timers. Here I am going to give the T4 colon 0, T4 colon 1, T4 colon 2, and T4 colon 3. Okay, these are all the 4 timers we are using. So give the holding the address of its en bit, so give the timer address and slash en. Okay, now the same bit can hold all the timers, or we can change the en bit to the respective timer. Okay, so we are going to change the address here, /1 colon 2 colon 3, so the respective holding to the each timer. Now we can use our outputs. So we are going to give examine if close and an output. Okay, so 5 output, we can copy this rung for 5 times. Copy, paste, 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 and one more time paste. Okay, so we can give I got one extra. Okay, 5 times. We can assign the address of all 5 LEDs, /0 /1 /2 /2 /3 /4. all the 5 LEDs address are assigned. So first LED will glow when I press the push button, so I am going to give the push button address, and I have to give a holding here because no timer is assigned to it. Only the push button function is going to operate this LED, so I am going to give a holding here. And I have also have to give an examine if close for the stop function of this LED because nothing else is operating it. So give the NC push button address here. Now I, for rest of it, I am going to give the address of timer and its done bit. So T4 colon 0 slash DN slash DN, not EN. Okay, and follow all the T4 colon 1 slash DN, T4 colon 2 slash DN, T4 colon 3 slash DN. Now all the addresses are assigned. Okay, so here I have to see the preset value. The preset value is 100. It means after 10 seconds the accumulator value will be equals to preset value. Here you can see 20 second, 30 second, 40 second. Okay, and here you can see the outputs. Now we can go online, download the program. Before going in run mode, we can reset the timers and counter, so the holded accumulator value will be 0. Okay, now I can go in the run time. Here you can see the accumulator value is 0. Okay, now comes to our main function, which is LED. Here you can see the LED outputs are all false. Here you can see all LEDs are stopped. When I press the NO push button, here you can see all LEDs are continuously glowing. Nothing is happening inside the timer because the input is high. Okay, here you can see nothing is happening inside the timer. When I press the NC push button, timers start counting. When the first timer starts, accumulator weights comes to its reset bit. Second LED is stop. After 20 seconds, the third LED will stop, and after 40 seconds, 30 seconds, this LED will stop. Okay, after 40 seconds, this LED will stop. This is all for the function. So this is all for off delay timer and this exercise. And in our next video, we are going to learn about retentive type on delay timer. Okay, so subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and follow us. Thank you so much for watching.